What's the meaning of backlog? Backlog. Backlog.
Backlog. Backlog. The term backlog refers to a list of tasks, assignments, or projects that have yet to be completed within a certain time frame. This can be applied to various industries, such as software development, manufacturing, and logistics. In software development, backlog typically refers to a prioritized list of user stories or features that need to be developed and implemented in the product. It is an important tool for agile project management, allowing teams to prioritize work based on customer needs and feedback. Backlogs are constantly evolving, with new tasks added and old ones removed as the team progresses towards their goals. Managing the backlog effectively can lead to improved productivity and customer satisfaction.